Alderman, any questions?
I have one, Mayor.
Go ahead, Alderman Sanders.
You mentioned that about the Houston Middle expansion temporarily being put on hold. I know in our capital improvements budget, we did have $5 million in to support that, and that was not passed along to you guys. We didn't issue the bonds this year. And you are correct. I see on our capital improvements plan for FY22, it's $2.5 million. You indicated you're willing to put $3 million from your budget plus the other two, meaning $5 million. What would happen if to that project if the city does not increase that and honor the original $5 million that they had promised you?
We would not be able to proceed with that project. That would be our challenge. And that's assuming that it comes in at $200 a square foot. This project could be more than that. But yeah, we would not be able to proceed with that project at this time. I know also it was a concern. I understand why. It wasn't just because of the concern about what's going to happen with sales tax, as Mr. Lawton has explained. It's not a good time to go to the bond market either. So we understand the rationale to postpone, but we're ready to pick back up whenever it is a wise decision to go to the bond market.
Okay. Mayor, if I could clarify as well. Go ahead. I'm sorry, Alderman.
No, I'm done. Thank you.
Mayor, I'm sorry, Mayor. Thank you. I was just going to add that the project is in FY22, so the budget that the board is considering by ordinance to adopt, you're right, does not include the school funding for a variety of reasons. And you all know, from revenue shortfalls to accessing the capital market. We will have this discussion again next spring when we look at our financial situation and our budget overall and determine how much and what we'll be able to do and when we'll be able to do it with Houston Middle School.